Okay guys, so I'm showing you how I'm replacing this for my customer. The frontal was old, and so now we're going to put a new frontal. So this is the new frontal. I braided it back and tweezed it already, and so this was her old wig, and we just cut the frontal out of it, right? And so we put the new frontal on the blockhead, pinned it down, and now we're taking our needle and thread and I'm stitching it by hand, and then I'm going to go and reinforce it with my sewing machine. So it's pretty simple how we're doing it. And you're just gonna stitch it until it's all the way down. That's it. So I'll come back and show you the finished results. Oh. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like after I've stitched it. And I'll go and get the other frontal so you can see like what it looks like. So now I'm just going to take this under my sewing machine. My eyes itching. And I'm going to stitch and reinforce it, and then we're going to curl this up and get it ready. That's it. Okay, so this was her old frontal. It's not that bad, but like on this side, you could see like it had some holes. So it was time for this thing to go. All right. So now I'm at my sewing machine. I'm going to feed my wig in like so. Okay. Put down the presser foot, and then I'm going to go back with it, and I'm going to keep going. Spreading the hair as I go. There we go. Then going back to reinforce it. And that's part of the reason that I have the wig in braids, so that the hair is not in my way. Because I don't want to stitch the hair down. But if you do, it's okay. Alright. Pull it backwards. And cut my thread. Pretty good, pretty good. Check my work. I think I missed one little spot like right there. So I'm going to feed it back through. Do the same thing. There it goes. Okay. Okay. All right. There we go. So now it's time to put the wig on the client.